The first one here is the base, while the second one here is the bar of the juices. Okay, and make sure that this very edge, this very place sit directly, at the base there. That is where you're going to sit. Put it good, yeah. And the next one here is the rotary wiper, and also the next one is the strainer, which is the filter, and put it using the smaller part into the big part, and make sure you sit directly at the middle so it can be able to turn, it can be able to roll it. And this very part here, this edge, sit directly here at the kit there. That's where you're going to sit, and that is it. And this one is the juice squeezing screw. Make sure it goes directly into the metal there. Make sure it sits properly here. And the next one here is the drum cover. Make sure that this very part, this rubber here, sit directly at the edge of that very metal, and then make sure that this very corner enters into the base. There's a space you can see there. Make sure you lock it into the place. It's very important. Whatever you do, make sure you do it carefully. Just watch. That's where I'm going to lock it into. Okay, yeah, so lock it in. As you can see, make sure you lock in properly. You can see I unlock it and lock it back again. Okay, so that is it. And why this is the float container, and the other one is juicer container, and this is the foot pusher, putting it inside into the feed pipe, and that is it. And the next one here is to open the lid, the cover, and close it back. That's where the juicer comes out from. And here is where you turn it on, and also the same place you turn it off downward, and then that is it. And this is a cleaning brush. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified. Bye.